Hello, this is the next lesson over linear relationships. This is a table. Find the equation from this table. Do. In our last lesson, we talked about this. So go back to linear relationships part 2 if you're confused. So how do you turn a 0 to a 1 to a 4, a 2 to a 7, 4 to a 13, 5 to 16? Well, you think it's plus 1 or times 1, but it doesn't work for every one of these. So we're going to have to look at the rate of change. What is the rate of change from 1 to 4? Plus 3. 4 to 7, plus 3. 7 to 13. Oh, they skipped here. They skipped the third one. Ooh. So first of all, it's increasing 3 for every one x value, changing 3 for every one x value. Here it changed by 6 for every 2 value, but still it's 3 for every x value. So y equals 3 for every x value, but then what is our initial value? So 3 x's, 3 zeros times 3 plus 1 times 3 plus 1 times 3 is 6 plus 1 times 3, 12 plus 1. So y equals 3x plus 1. Let's check our work. What's 3 groups of 5? 15 plus 1 is 16. Check and check. So our equation is y equals 3x plus 1. So you're going to be given 4 scenarios about Mr. Jacob. Mr. Jacob is saving to buy a new iPhone. He receives a $40 gift card to an Apple store for his birthday. He adds $25 to the card every month. How long will Mr. Jacob need to save to have $540 for the iPhone he really wants? I guess he doesn't want an iPhone X, which is $999, or about $1,099 for tax and everything. Write a short verbal description of the mathematics in a word problem. So in a word, he has $40. He adds $25 every month. So that's pretty much a summary of this. And we need to know how many months will it take him. So which value is the starting point or initial value in the scenario? Well, it must be $40. What does that value represent? Well, the 40 represent the amount he starts with. This is the amount he has initially. Before he starts saving, he will always have this $40. It's not going away. What is the unknown? X. Well, we don't know how long. We don't know the number of months it will take him to save. Which value is the rate of change? What is it changing by for every month? It is changing a value of $25 each month. So what does the value mean? Meaning he's going to add $25 every month. So that's what's the value. So we know the first month is $25. The next month he's going to add another $25. So next month he'll add another $25. So now let's use a table below to calculate the dependent from the corresponding independent. So which one's the dependent out of curiosity, independent? To find the number of months, it depends on a dollar, or to find the dollars, it depends on the number of months. This must be the dependent right here. So we'll put a D here. This is independent. All right, so in 0 months, he has saved $40. He hasn't added anything. The next month, he adds $25 to the 40. So now it is $65. The next month, he adds $25, be 70, $90. The next month, he adds another $25, be $115. The next month, he adds $25, 115 plus 5 is 120, so it'd be 140. The next month, he adds $25, so it'd be 165. How would I find the 10th month? Because before you say, oh, you just add 25. No, that's before the 6th month. But do I want to sit there and add 6 to 6, 7, 8, 9? That takes too long. Let's think. He starts with an initial value of $40. That's the starting amount he has. He adds $25 every month. And if it's 10 months, that's $250. plus the $40 he's saved, that's 290. What about the 20th month? So he saves $25 every month, and if he saves for 20 months, that's be $500. But then he has a starting amount of $40 on the gift card, 540. Hey, we're done. We answered our question. The answer is 20 months. It takes 20 months to save $540. How many months has Mr. Duarte saved at the beginning of the scenario? 0 months. He's at 0. How much money does Mr. Jacob have before beginning to save? $40, because he starts with $40. And he adds $25 every month, so that's the rate of change. So the X value is the number of months, whoops, while the Y value is the dollars, or amount of money he has saved. What will be the equation? Well, we know it's going to be Y equal. Well, what is the rate of change? It is changing. Where is my marker? It is changing $25 every month. And what is month represented by X? So Y equal 25X. But what was his starting value? 40. So this is our equation. If you look here, it works right here. $25 times the number of months, 10 months, plus $40. Let's graph this. Be sure to label it. This represents the months. This represents the savings. So 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months, 7 months. I'm going to count by 20s. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200, 220, 240, 260, 280. In 0 months, he saved $40. In 1 month, he saved $65. In 2 months, he saved $90. In 3 months, he saved $115. In 4 months, he saved $140. 5 months is $165. Out of curiosity, am I going to connect this or not? Well, no, we're talking about the number of each month he's saved, not each day or fraction of a second he's saving. So I'm not going to be connecting it. And that is our representation. So our next example is, given a graph, can you make a table out of it? Let's see, 0 is 1. 1 is, I think it's 3.5. Whoops. 2 is, oh, let's stop. 1 is 1, 2, 3, yeah, 3.5. 2 is 6. 3 is 8.5. 4 is 11. Can you create an equation from this? Let's think. What is the rate of change? What is it changing by? How do you change a 1 to 3.5? It's increasing by 2, that's 3, 2.5. 3.5 increase to 6. How do you increase from 3.5 to 6? Let's see, 1, 2, it'll be 5.5, 50 cents more. So it's 2.5. So the rate of change is increasing 250 for every X. But is that the answer? But what was the initial value? 1. So it's 250x plus 1. Let's check our work. What's 250 times 4? That's 10. Plus 1 more is 11. So check, check. It works. Could you create a story problem from this? Well, let's say, Oh, Lucy Liu sent me a check for $1 because she wanted me to go to McDonald's and buy myself a McChicken sandwich. Every month after that, she sends me 250. So how much money will I have after X number of months? And that's my story. So, and the graph does work on that one. So X is the number of months, while the Y could be the amount Lucy sends me. Says y equal 250x plus 1. So for example, if it's 10 months later, how much money, how rich will I be? 250 times 10 is 25 plus 1 is $26. Woohoo! After 10 months of dating, I'll be $26 richer. And that is our linear equations.